Hey, what's going on everyone? It's me, Mr. Mario, and just doing this quick video here showing you all if you are going to be reinstalling the latest version of Windows 11 at the time of recording this still, despite Microsoft saying that they were going to disable this here on Windows 11 Home, you can still actually make a brand new local user on the latest build of Windows 11. There's just going to be a couple steps you have to do at the beginning of the installation, but it's easy enough to do. This is going to be referencing and really will just be a video visual guide of what you can find on the R Tech Support wiki, which will be linked down below in the description for their steps of how to make a local account setup on Windows 11. Now, I am going to be doing this on a VM just for demonstration purposes, but I can also verify that this does work fine on bare metal hardware. I was able to test it with a laptop recently, which is why I'm making this video here. So you can see here we have a fresh install of Windows 11, just going to show you all English US, that's fine, US, that's okay. We're going to install Windows 11, I agree to that. I don't have a key for this, and after we get this set up, we're just going to select Windows 11 Home. So right here, I'm using the latest build of it directly from Microsoft. We can hit next. From here, I just allocated 64 gigabytes, so I'll hit OK, and we're going to install and let it install. All right, now once we're at this screen, before we make any selection, you'll need to hit on your keyboard Shift F10. That's going to bring up the command prompt right here. Now you need to type this in exactly here in all uppercase. It will be OOBE \bypass NRO, spelled exactly like that, all one word, and hit enter. Once you do that, it's going to do a little bit of a reboot here and just wait for the out-of-box experience to relaunch. If it brings up a screen like this, you can actually click on I don't have internet and continue on to do this without the updates. But if not, this is not a showstopper. From here, select your keyboard. You can add another one or skip. I'm just going to do that. And you can even see here that it is checking for updates. So I am online here and I am trying to do this on the latest build. After another restart, we can name our device. So I'll call mine YouTube, since that's really all this is going to be for. For the sake of time here and just to get this sorted, I'm just going to say update later, and yeah, update later. We just want to get our account made. So now that we're finally here, what you can do is click on sign in, and instead of signing in, hit Shift F10 on your keyboard, and you're going to bring up command prompt a second time. Now this time around, we're going to type in start space ms-cxh : local only. That one is going to be one word. It needs to be typed in exactly like this on screen, and hit enter. Once you do that, it's going to bring up another window right here, and check this out. It's now going to say create a user for this PC. So congratulations, you can now create a local account, and you all saw it. This was here on Windows 11 Home. So for this, I'm going to call it local account YT. You can call it whatever you want to, but I'm just calling it this just to make it obvious. I'm not even going to enter a password for this. Hit next. And with that, once you see hi on screen, congratulations, you've been able to set up your account. So now it's just going to go through the last bit of the installation process. And there we go. Once all that's done, we can enable or disable whatever we're wanting to on here. I'm going to hit accept. We're almost out of this experience here. And there we go. I should probably fix the resolution as well. And now that's a little bit better. But if you go to the start menu, you could see it right here. My account is the local account YT, which is definitely not an online account. That is a offline account that I have. You can even see if I check this out, it shows local account. And if I go to manage my account, within the account settings right here, I am an administrator and it is a local account. So that's really all you had to do on this. I'll even show you all this. Here's the Windows version. At the time I did this here, this is running on version 25H2. You can see the build number, check it out. It is licensed to local account YT, and that's really all there is to it. Also Windows 11 Home. So congratulations, that's really all you needed to do to get set up with a local account on a new installation of Windows 11. It's really that simple, even if you have Windows 11 Home. Either way, that is about it for this video here. This is Mr. Mario, signing off. Thank you all for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, a like would absolutely be appreciated, and if you didn't like it, a dislike is fine as well too.